Apat ka na, jersey number 0. Okay, bati-bati lang tayo ha. Pag may gumamit ng kamay, siguradong mapapaw kayo. Jersey number 4.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, basket count. Basket number 23. Second personal foul, Ricky Bell. Okay, 31-33. Let's see the N1. Jersey number 4. Complete. Pump shot is the good. Nakuha ni jersey number 23. Good! Number 6. Good! As na sinaluan niyo ng init ang ulo, sigurado to thrown off kayo. Number 4. 14 on the shot clock.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nakita ko yun. Offensive foul, jersey number 4. 1 minute and 57, 33, 32. Makatabla kaya? Tabla na! 33 on. Okay. That's the second free throw. Jersey ball. 15 on the shot clock, number 24. Hey, ganda yung shot clock.
Sana all.
Jersey number 3. Wow! Yes! Just wait for the buzzer. Close. And...
Yeah, boy.
Fourth on the shot clock, number 7, Brunner. Number 3, Dominic. Good. 1 minute and 10 to shoot. Still. 1 minute. 14 on the shot clock, 55 seconds. 10 to shoot. 50 seconds, 8 on the shot clock.
Oh my God!
Walang papasok. Walang papasok. Ano sabi mo walang papasok eh? Okay, sanction tayo, sanction. Kuha? Laro? Okay. Hoy naman, napaka-importante yan. Napaka-importante naman yan. Okay, napaka-importante yan. Napaka-importante. Good. 6 seconds. Penalty. Yes, 56-53.